right, everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Here is the new job site. We're going to be going over that today. Here's a blueprint going over the building. But basically, all I did today was move material. They do have a material handler at this job site, but they needed some extra help to get things done. So I will basically clean out these two Connex boxes, taking down shelves, removing shelves, moving material, obviously. So I'll show you all the things that I did. So the first thing, well, not the first thing, but this is all in random order now. But anyways, I took down these, I'm assuming they were blueprint holders with the PVC on the strut. I took those off of the wall, unscrewed some shelves off the back, threw those on a pallet, and we brought those inside along with some garbage bags, and whatever else was on there. Some buckets of string and stuff eventually we added later. Added some, put all those red Hilti boxes, the strut, all the bottom two shelves on the left. Got all those thrown in the clamshell. And then these 3 disconnects right here, threw these on a pallet. Those are actually really heavy. Kind of threw my back out on that. Those are probably like 50 to 70 pounds each, I assume. I also got a whole bunch of cord caps in this black tote right here. Just some temporary power stuff. Here's all the elbows that were kind of laying on the ground. I got 3 or 4 black totes of those. A whole bunch of elbows and stuff like that. Threw those on a pallet. Brought that inside. Took all this stuff out of the Connex. These 4 shelves. Also, we brought in 2 more shelves after this. There's the disconnects, some lights, the garbage bags, the string, just a whole bunch of stuff. Also, there was a refrigerator that we brought in here, and when I say we, I mean me, but also one guy did help me move the fridge, so I appreciate that. Also brought in this table, and I think that pretty much wraps it up. Also helped some guy do some forklift blind spot monitoring and stuff like that, but I also did like 2 or 3 hours of whatever you want to call it, on-site onboarding, whatever you want to call it. What's the correct term for that? Job site training, safety, stuff like that. I forget the term, but that's what I did for the beginning part of the day for like 2 or 3 hours. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. This is the new job site where I'll be at. And hopefully I won't be moving material tomorrow. But anyways, we'll see how it goes. Wasn't too bad. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.